Hi, Jackhammer edition, and welcome to night one of Hammermania main event. Introducing first from Omaha, Nebraska. Give it up for Atticus Black. And his opponent, he's the reigning and defending JWE Crazy 8 champion from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the Bulls boys. Give it up for Otto Bulls. And here we go. Atticus and Otto are going. Otto now picks up Atticus, drops him down. Oh, Otto's kicking him, stopping in the back. Knee drop. Atticus is not. Oh, Atticus gets picked up. Otto now. Butterfly suplex. Otto now. He's going on top. Leg drop. Connects. He's taunting. Now neck twist. Down goes Atticus. Senton from the middle, from the bottom rope. Oh, on bar. Now Otto's going outside the ring. He grabs a table. He grabs the table, puts it in. He picks Atticus up, drops him down into an armbar. Atticus is in trouble here, folks. Now a knee to the back of the head. Atticus is rolling outside. Otto's going top. He's pointing. Double axe handle. He's taking him to. Oh, wait, reversed. Down goes Otto. Otto now throws Atticus back in the ring. Otto's back in with him. Otto now has the table in his hand. Oh, he drops it. Neck breaker. Swinging neck breaker. Atticus now punches him in the back. Throws him over the top rope onto the apron. Atticus now has the table. Oh, he drops it. Atticus now kick. DDT onto the table. Otto now fall over. DDT. Otto picks up the table now. And he hits Atticus with it. He hits him with it. And he throws it on top of him. And now the table's outside the ring. Otto picks it up. Puts it back in. Slides back in. Clothesline. Stomp the back of the head. Picks him up. Neck twist again. Otto Bulls is in control here. He picks up the table. Oh, he drops it on top of Atticus. And Atticus now is we got blood. Atticus is bleeding. Otto now drops the table. Comes back into the ring. Atticus has the table. Fall over. Oh, wait for the float over DDT for a second time. And this match got reversed. He's looking for it. Tombstone pile driver. Atticus is down. And he's not moving. Drops the table on top of him. Picks it up. Otto drops it again. Otto goes outside the ring. Picks up the table. He's holding the table in his hand. Drops it. Atticus now kicks him right in the head. Atticus is calling for something here. What's he calling for? Into a Hell's Gate submission. Otto both managed to get out of it. Atticus now throws all the bolts down into the barricade. Atticus now puts the table in the ring, slides back in. He's taunting with nobody there. He picked up the first table. He sets it up. Otto now drops the table. Table falls down. Atticus duck underneath. Picks him up, punches him. And all the bolts crawling over to the bottom turnbuckle. Atticus sets up the table now. He kicks him. Now a knee to the face. There by Atticus. Atticus is in, all the bolts now. Got Atticus. Puts him against the ropes. 1, 2, 3 punches in the back. Again. Duck underneath. Leapfrog. SDO back. Breaker connects. Atticus is down. He picks him up. Fisherman suplex. Atticus is down. All the balls picks him up now. Puts Atticus up against the table. What's all the balls doing here? He's gonna suplex him. Through the table he goes. Here is your winner. And still the JWE Crazy 8 champion, Otto Bolt. Thank you so much for watching night 1 of Hammermania 31. I'll be back tomorrow for night 2 of Hammermania. Jackhammer out.